Hey, what's going on, guys? When you start your programming journey, at some point you encounter Git and GitHub and a thing called SSH keys. And GitHub has a tutorial about how to set them up and stuff, right? And then you start using it, and then you clone a repository, and then eventually you need to fetch new updates. And you fetch, and then you need to unencrypt your key, right? So you've been asked for your passphrase. And then you fetch again, and it asks you for the passphrase again, and ask him for the passphrase, and it asks you for the passphrase again. And I realize that many people kind of hate this, and so they create SSH keys without passwords or passphrases. Please stop doing this right now. There's an ancient tool called Keychain that you put a tiny snippet of code into your ZSHRC. Make sure it's an interactive prompt, otherwise you won't be able to log into your system. And then when you use it for the first time, it creates an agent, and it basically prompts you for the password only once. And if you SSH into another box, assuming that you have agent forwarding enabled, and you want to clone an repository over there, it won't ask you again. I hope it helps, and have a nice day.